Hello everyone, welcome to the howto.org channel. To use a gift card on eBay, the first thing we have to do is choose a product we want to buy. In my case, I have chosen a watch. I will click on Buy It Now. In the protection plan, I will choose the option No Thanks. Now, we should go down and find the section Gift Cards, Coupons and eBay Bucks. Here we have to write the code for our gift card. After that, we click on Apply. By doing this, on the right side, the discount will appear. In my case, nothing shows up, because I'm just making an example. I don't have a gift card, but if you have a real code, you'll see that the discount here will be updated quickly. Then, at the top, we must fill in our payment information and also choose our address to receive the product. At the end, we can click on Confirm and Pay. Thank you for watching our video, we hope it helped you a lot. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell to receive notifications of new videos.